And the terrible and the wickedest thing we ever see, Mark.
You want to get the house now that somebody of me say, Lord Jesus, what is this? I can't find my sister.
So I want to bring bust window now.
Yeah.
And fly out.
Yeah.
And as the bust window side the whole line.
The house lift up.
Just collapse.
Fear disaster, we just come like a new world, you know.
Brian, no house.
Yeah.
Bunty, no house. Ruby, no house.
Yeah.
Simley house, no house. Many houses up there.
Gone.
Yes. O'Neill, no house.
Yeah.
Beeston, no house.
Yeah.
Come around Alan, no house.
Yeah.
Miss Francella, no house.
Yeah.
Come around Miss Joyce, no house around there.
Yeah.
Every house gone.
Every house gone.
Every house gone. Like I watch some movie.
Jamaica family, this is a different kind of video. You'd have probably seen a few clips of videos I did about Hurricane Melissa. I showed clips from the Montego Bay area and on my way to Westmoreland, where I was going to visit my family. You know, I'm from Westmoreland, the Westmoreland area. And you probably would have seen how horrific the scenes were. You would have seen or heard it on the news as well. Well, unfortunately, my worst fears have been realized. My family has been inundated. That's in the Beeston Spring area. Everybody has lost their home. Everybody. They're mainly board structures with zinc roofs. That's where I grew up. That's where I went to school. I went to Manning's from there. I went to church at Salem there. It's close to my chest. So this video is very different. If it's family, it is me. You know, so right now I am depressed, to be honest with you. I'm trying to be strong, but it's hard. I'm going up the hill to meet with a few of them. And we're bringing some care packages that we got back in Montego Bay, and it was a stress in Montego Bay to get stuff at the supermarkets. It's a rush, as you can imagine. We can hardly get stuff. There's no flour, no sugar, no rice, nothing like that. You can get easily without rush. But I managed to get a few stuff, you know, and myself, Mr. Monroe, my uncle Jeffrey, my cousin, and other members of the family, my sisters and so on, brother and so on. We came together and put some stuff together to bring up there. I'm heading up there to see firsthand some of the scenes. Hopefully it's not too late so I can share some of that with you, but I want to see, but I don't really want to see. Depression, guys, depression. I don't want to share it, but I have to. These are just a few of the signs. I'm gonna turn left to go to my community now. But this is the Akin Down area. You can see it's nothing good. Total devastation. Total devastation. Alright, but thankfully the road is cleared to some extent, I heard. Because when I came 2 days ago, I couldn't pass here. But now I understand I can pass to a limit. Yeah. So let's see how far we go. This is the first time that is not looking good, family. This road here, we never had a river here, and now we have a river. We have a river, and the road is gone, as you can see. Gone. Are you seeing what I'm seeing, guys? This is unreal for me. This is my beloved community. I can hardly recognize it. Look, no one can see all the way up to the hilltop. All the way up to the hilltop. Look at this stuff here. Side of the road. Where did all this come from? Road is gone. I don't know when we're gonna be able to recover. My beloved community, guys. Whoa. Beeston Spring here. Inundated. Look at that. I was never able to see. Look at the trees. They are bare bones. Now we have a river now.
We have a free river.
We have a river now. Oh my God, look at this. There was a house here. Oh my God. There was a house here. Now there's no more house. Several houses in fact. This is unreal. Unreal. How do we recover? My God. I have to get a bike taxi now to go further. We're stuck here. The bike taxi we're gonna take from here. So let's see. Ah guys, so this is the bike taxi. We'll put off now from the main. Yeah, I have to hop off the pass this side. Alright, come. Ah, boy. Alright, which way we are going now? Oh, straight up. Man, you don't take it, oh my God. Yeah, man, I watch. No problem. Alright, guys, we have to. Again, I have to stop and walk. There's a bike and walk effort we do it right now. My God, my God. Look at this. Yeah man, come in man, my brother. Alright, go on, no problem. Thankful for the bike man. Thankful for the bike man. Still have a smile. Still have a smile on your face.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Have a smile 'cause we are alive.
Yes, sir. This. Oh my God. This was supposed to. This was the road to the community. The bike man said I should stop, come off the bike and walk a little. Total blockage. Only bike can pass here. Only a bike can pass here. My God. Look at it. Look at this guy. This is unimaginable. Look at this. Look at the devastation. Look at the devastation, guys. This is a different angle. But same message. Carnage in Beeston Spring, Westmoreland. Look at this. Oh my God. Remember, there's a link in the description if you want to send your support, show your support. I would really appreciate it. This is family I'm talking about. These are my family members. Oi! Alright. See my uncle. My mother's brother. My mother's brother. I'm about to see him. He used to actually stay at this house. This is not his house, but I think it's one of his daughter's house. Not unfinished house, but this is where they're staying. I'm about to see him, so. Oh God, look at that. Oh, carnage. Depression. Oh. Ah!
Marco!
Oh God be the glory. Yes man.
Thanks, well. Jesus!
Ah boy. Papa. Hi. Daddy. Love.
You know some master got telling me that this time.
Yeah.
It is a liquor paper.
Yeah.
You catch me at the house, Marcos, but then here.
Yeah. So, but you did that, so?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's nobody on the phone there?
Stay around there.
Yeah.
Mighty God.
I can't even ask you about them now.
So that's why you saying Hannah hurt him?
Yeah, cut man, a big cut. Yeah.
So that a zinc cut him or?
Glass.
Mighty God.
MCD glass, MCD. Oh, I'm done.
Alright.
My dear.
How you do?
Boy, me see what go along.
A two man.
Me see what go along, but we have life.
Yes.
We give
Most
thanks.
important thing.
Yes. We will recover, man.
Alright.
We will recover. I believe so. And we're going to do what we have to do, you know?
Yeah, no, come back, man.
You want where you can be, where you can.
Yes.
You You're going to recover it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Long as we live.
Yeah. Yeah, man. See that now, then see around them boy around there.
Yes.
Yeah.
And the man them say no them see the my front glass today.
Yeah.
See it brace.
Yeah.
And my brace back.
Mighty God.
And then
You mean the window glass?
yes, the window glass.
Yeah.
When you know if they don't have no power.
Yeah.
So I want to bring bust the window now.
Yeah.
Then fly out.
Yeah.
And as the bust the window side the whole of it.
The house lift up.
Just collapse.
Mighty God.
I can't see them say man, I look up and I go run.
Downstairs.
Yeah, and I want to party.
Yeah. The concrete
And
part.
my kitchen, yeah. And the term and the wickedest thing you ever see, man.
Yeah.
When you're resting at the house, man.
Yeah, man. Mighty God. Look at them, all them water tank. Why the whole place messed up? Whole place messed up. I touch it.
Yes, touch this.
How's that?
Yeah, man.
Gone too.
Come on, I run out to look come out dead.
And what is shop gone to?
Yeah.
Oh God. So nobody get injured? Nobody get injured?
Yes, man.
Uh-huh.
But people dead, man.
Who? Where? Not up here though?
Up the road there.
Up a road?
Yeah, man.
Eh?
They done police have just out of the bury.
Mighty
But
God.
they don't know where to go.
But nobody down here not dead.
No. You get far, man.
Give thanks. Yeah. So rebuilding, guys. The family, the people are rebuilding. There was a shop here right now and it's gone. It's getting a little bit dark, but you can see the structure here. There was a big tall shop here, gone totally. But I want to go around the house to my uncle's yard. Oh, Uncle Lasburn house up used to be up so. How should I the house?
I think I right after saying, piece out left, one piece left up there. But you can't see tree kind of.
Yeah. Somewhere after so. Somewhere.
Yes, so somewhere.
Yeah, man. Oh my God. Look at the devastation, guys. Look at the devastation. Over here was supposed to be a little community bar.
Yes.
That is gone. Oh, I lose track. Light poles are down. Ah, Jesus. Depression. For those of you who know, guys, this Shady Grove. This is no Shady Grove. There's no shade here anymore. Mighty God. Getting a little late, so that's why you're here in the night, and it's a little bit dark, but I wanted to make sure you see exactly what is happening. This is it. So, I'm not sure if you can see from here, but there is, you used to have the church. That's the manse down there. Church manse. The school is below here, and the church over the other side. There's no church anymore. No Salem church. So let me see if I can get a little closer. Yeah, and get a better view. But cause I tell you. Yes. May I have something for you here? May I have something for you? One piece of tarpaulin here. Yeah. Careful, you come. Oh, careful. Okay. Oh, what? Come cross this then.
Yeah. Go on, man. Go straight to you.
Yeah, man. This piece here.
Yeah.
So, God of grace. This man take a baby now. I wasn't able to get here in time before night because there's another piece of the house here. Ah, my brother. This is it. All chaos. Okay, so this is the back of your house. This is the only standing little concrete structure. Yeah. But, boy. Under here.
Yeah.
So this is where they had to run, guys, to save themselves in this area. Apologize for the darkness, but this is the best I can do to get here. To get here in time. Chairs. These are some veranda chairs. Everything damaged. Everything gone. So over here was my grandmother's house. That spot right there. Right here. That spot was my grandmother's house. Up there was my auntie's house. Veronica,
Duke house right there, right that spot. You see I'm pointing. Right there. There's nothing. All clothes, my God, on the ground. Oh. Brought some soup. Oh God. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is unbelievable, man, I tell you. My God, my God. Yeah, this is the spot where my grandmother Sadie house was. Right here. Just this spot. It's not even a trace of this apparently the floor. This is apparently the flooring. Yeah, but that's it. No zinc sheet, nothing. Yeah man, there was a shop here, guys, right here. Everything is gone. Yeah, so this is Lorraine.
Only myself have. One pair of shoes. I want lady give me one pants. Nothing, everything. Now have nothing, man. House flat out. I want somebody house me now. You have to throw down one half with my I know if phones and think everything in a one. I lie down for the night time. Me pitney them. One day east and one day west.
Uncle. So you notice it was getting a bit dark, family. So here's what I did. I went back home, went back to Mobe, and today I'm back down here. I needed to show you this. I wanted you to see what it is like in the daytime. This is a school. Right? I am just, and that's the manse. The roof is gone off the manse, but this is a school. And you can see every tree is down. Alright, now this hillside is where a lot of my family members used to live or lived. My grandmother's house was somewhere where that blue tarpaulin is. I don't know if you can see it from here. Above it, my aunt's house. Across there, where that purple, that orange structure is, was right here was my uncle's house. The concrete structure is still there, but the board part is totally gone. Apparently the only house that's standing is that little one here, which is Joe, a gentleman called Joe. But everything else, up here was several houses. You couldn't see the houses because there were all trees in this area. Trees, you couldn't see the houses from down the bottom here. But now you can see everywhere clearly because it's gone. So a lot of the houses you can't even, in fact, above where that blue tarpaulin is, was one of my aunts, Veronica's house. There's no sign of the house here right now. Absolutely no sign. And all of the material, the zinc sheets, all of the stuff was just got blown away all over, right? You can see right to the top of the hill. Right now. So this is what, when I said to you, it is total carnage down here in Westmoreland. This is what we're talking about. People have started to put the pieces back together. Some of them, you probably can't, I'm not sure if you can hear the knocking. There's a smoke there to show some life up there, you know. But right where you see that smoke, below there's a little green structure standing somewhere here. That's another uncle of mine. That's Uncle Lasburn house. It's a veranda piece, the concrete piece that is still standing. Everything else is gone. Look at the trees. This is P-Man, shelter manager as well here. Pinnock. What's your first name again? Fidel Pinnock. So I'm gonna have P-Man help me now. Yeah, help me now, P-Man. This is, tell me, show me your house first and then.
That is my house. The blue house. House with no top panel with the concrete.
Yeah.
That is my house.
Yeah.
It break in two. The board structure break. Yeah, break.
Above that is Uncle Lasburn? Way up at the top?
Yes, way up.
The green?
The pink and white.
The pink and white is Uncle Lasburn?
Yes, and the green is Miss Enid.
Miss Enid?
Yes, Miss Enid, the green and white. And that house around here now with the pink.
Yes, who that?
Beauty.
Yeah. Oh, yes.
And way up now, that blue.
Chicken?
Yeah, the blue house up there, up on the column, is John Merzel. Marzel? Yes.
Oh, so where chicken house there?
Oh, chicken below it, it's flat.
Chicken house flat?
Yes, yes.
Oh.
See what constructor put up
yes,
there?
Yes.
That is chicken put back up. I'll constructor for you.
Just shelter.
Yeah, just shelter area.
Yeah. Over this side now from the top for that yellow and that over there is who?
We are up, no, down here?
No, at the top one.
Oh, Richie. Concrete.
Yeah.
Richie.
That's Richie up at Mommy?
Yes, up at Jonestown there.
Oh, okay.
Yes. And around here is Tassie, Grand Pitney, the man and daughter.
Oh, the other one?
Yeah, all of those structures.
The concrete
structures.
The concrete structure?
Yes.
Is it Jones?
Yes, the Jones family there.
And then below this, is Missita daughter?
Yes, right here, they break down and then build it back up.
Yeah, the look yellow piece.
Yes, I put it back up.
Yeah.
Angela. Yeah, Angela house. And Rafi this.
Yeah, I say Uncle Rafi the cream one.
Yeah. And Joe right here.
Joe is the only one see man standing.
Yes, right here.
Yeah.
Only
so Auntie Mary house.
It's flat. We up.
Yes, Auntie Mary house.
Yeah, no house on the
No house on the desk.
No house on the
and Veronica no house.
No house. Veronica around here. No house.
No house.
No house. Koji no house.
Koji house no house.
Yeah.
Dada.
Yeah.
Sadie.
No house.
No house.
No house. As far as you see, Danny, no house.
No house.
No house. Jolly, no house. You know that structure there. No house. Totes, no house.
Totes, no house.
Yes.
No
house. Brian, no house. Bunty, no house. Ruby, no house. Simley house, no house. Many house up there.
Gone.
Yes. O'Neill, no house. Beeston, no house. Come around Alan, no house. Miss Francella, no house. Come around Miss Joyce, no house around there.
Yeah.
Every house gone.
Every house gone.
No house.
No house gone.
Yeah.
Guys,
it's like a desert we live in.
A desert, man. We never see anything like this.
Yeah, no sun. No sun. We can't avoid no sun.
No sun.
So
when pure heat. No, every tree, either it bear, either it break down, or it don't have nothing at all.
From the last 8 years, I've never seen a green leaf upon a tree.
Yeah, no, not one green leaf.
Not one green leaf.
Guys, this is again, P-Man happened to be the shelter manager here as well, and he's giving us a perspective. It's been horrible.
Yeah, man.
Thankfully, miraculously, no death.
Yes, it hurt, brother.
It hurt. We're gonna have to get some emotion. I mean, the physical support is one, but I think we need. I was saying to my sister, we need some physical, some emotional, some traumatic support.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Because people have never deciphered this.
Yeah,
people will lose their mind.
Yes, true.
Yeah. People lose their mind.
I never expect this.
No. Yesterday you have the house.
Yes, and today
you have this.
Yes.
Today you're homeless.
It's hard.
Yeah, so
it's like you watch some movie where.
Yeah. Are you a dream?
Yeah. God, no.
Yeah. But we still have life and we give God thanks and we are praying that we get some support so we can help the rebuild.
Yes.
You know?
Yes.
You know,
that we want the place. People get back shelter by the head.
Yes.
And in the meantime, they get some food to eat.
Yes. Yeah, we bring some stuff. Not a lot of stuff, but I'm pushing. I'm trying to get some stuff.
Yes.
On the mobile side, it's hard, but we are trying.
Yeah.
Bunty, how you survive?
Well, life is here.
Yeah, you lose your house.
Yeah, everything.
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 We need help.
Yeah. No, man, a major help. Because Nana was gone. Around the other day, no?
Yeah, man. My house button side, that's where I gone to.
Yeah.
I lose everything.
Nana house survive.
Much storm.
Gilbert,
Ivan,
Beryl, all of them. And this is the only one that to take it.
Take it away.
Mighty God. You want to say something? Oh, yeah.
Okay.
This is a cousin of mine, guys, Samuels.
Yes,
Barbara.
I'm living in the district of Left Hall, and it is 7 of us here living in Left Hall, and all of us is board house, and all our house is flat, very, very flat.
Yeah.
We have nowhere to go but
at the
shelter here. And the shelter is bare sheltering us.
Yeah.
Because I was around by the canteen and it is pouring rain.
Yeah.
So
the shelter is just for a while.
Yes.
Temporary.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we are asking if anyone out there could give us a hand in helping rebuilding our structure.
Yeah. I believe help is coming. And guys, if we have there's a link in the description to this video if you need to support. But keep the faith. Whatever support, we're gonna rally some support for.
We will be grateful.
No man, we're gonna do it. My heart is here. So my sisters as well. So we're gonna do what we have to do. Alright? Love and thanks. Man. Contacts in the description, guys, how to reach them, yeah? Yeah, man. It's just in a bit, but I wanted to show you this house. My church brother. He was actually injured here. This house, this is gone. I wanted to get a little closer because I've been taking pictures from a distance, but look, this is the flooring This is the floor. Alright? And this is what is left of it. Fridge. Everything is gone here. I understand they had to take somebody out of this. Take somebody, the house crumbled on him. They had to take him out from here. This is Brother Lumley's house. The one I told you that the house crumbled on them is right here. This is just from a different angle. This is Miss Quist's house again from the top. That's Mr. Wesley Monroe old house from the top. This is looking out Beeston Spring now, out by the spring side now from the top again. That's a different view. This is another view, family. This is another view from what we call Miss Ivy Corner. For those of you who know the community, this is Miss Ivy Corner. There's a broken pole here. Those are my sisters. There's a flow transmission, digital transmission up there that broken down. So the road is blocked. We got as far as we could. But look at the carnage. This is from the top of the hill now, down as far as we can go. As far as we can go. This is just scary. Everything is in one right now. In the distance, you can see some buildings. That's Sandals White House. That's White House area, General White House Colony area. But down here, you can actually stay here and see the spring that we have way down at the bottom. That's Beeston Spring. If you can see that pink, a piece of pink building down there. The spring is to the left of it. There's a car driving down. Look to see if you can see where the car is. A car is driving down. Yes. This car is right at the spring now. Right there. Yes, that's the spring. That's the spring. And that is it. That area that is onto the right now is where we turn to come up here. So somebody is coming up this side as well. They just turn to come up in this area. This is the left hall area I'm telling you about. Totally devastated. Totally devastated. All of what you're seeing here were houses. Empty lands, blown down trees, just depression. But oh my God, look at this again, guys. Everything is in one. This is just scary. For those of you again who remember this place, there was a church here. Straight ahead there's Miss V and Gloria shop. That pink building is on Gloria house. Further up, Shimron house, and then up the top is Grandma Eastern house and so on. Everything is in one. Carnage. I'm gonna try and get some more feedback from the people and hear their story, you know. So over here is Miss Merle house, guys, or what is left of it. Up the top there is Miss Jean, right there where you see that blue tarpaulin right here. Miss Jean house, fragments of it, I would say. I see my sister trying to reconstruct or do something up there so that they can live. I see a piece of tarpaulin on top of the roof. But down here is where my uncle lived, Miss Merle. One of my uncles right here. Right here. There's a bed. I tell you. Yeah, man. Just life I have now right now, Omar. Yeah. Just life. Look at no, man. This is. Oh my God. Oh Jesus. Yeah, man. This is the ultimate, man. This is the ultimate, Omar.
Yeah, sitting on your van, yeah.
I tell you, man, not true, man. All the way in the distance, guys, the Salem Church. What is left of it? This is disaster. Disaster. This is a bomb, like a bomb drop here. This is exactly where I grew up. Right here. I'm gonna show you the house, the spot. But this is carnage. And the rain has started. To fall, guys, and that is not making the situation any better right now, because a lot of these people my God of grace, a lot of these people, my people, don't have absolutely no cover. So this is making it even worse. I talked to a gentleman, PJ, and he said this to me. He said he's scared of the rain. He said when the rain is because they have no roof. The clothes can't even get to dry because of the rain. I have to be careful now because I'm trying to get out I'm trying to get out to my house. My house where I grew up. So I think this whole house was Miss Mass Eustace's house. God of grace, Mass Eustace's house. This house was my neighbor. This place was my neighbor's house. Alright, but this is what is left of it, as you can see. Alright, Mass Eustace's house. I remember it now. It's starting to come back to me. Over here was Jai's house. Alright, what is left of it? There's no house. I don't even know where to walk. Where do I walk now? Where do I walk? Oh God. But I'm trying to show you. I'm trying to get out to my house where I live. This is Jai's house. Or Moses. See? Nothing is here. Nothing at all is here. Absolutely nothing. Nothing is here. Oh God. So I want to it's really for my own sense of purpose and belonging. Why I'm going here to connect. Trying to find back my house. This is where I grew up. This is where I grew up. This is where I grew up. This is the pimento tree. Pimento tree gone. Anti-still pimento tree gone. And then this is the mango tree gone. Mango tree gone. This is my house. This is my house. This is where I grew up. The house that I call home for my childhood life. This is what is left of it, guys. Gone. That little structure that you see there was recent. Just a couple of days ago they put it up. I understand G put it up just to catch water in that black tank. But just the floor. Just the floor of Mommy's house. My grandma's house. Just the floor. Pear tree gone. Our beloved pear tree. No more. No more. It's a veranda. Hey. Good. The tree. It's a phone on the ground here. The phone is still on the ground here. Phone. I know. It's okay, man. It's alright. It's his family. The drum. Oh my God. Pear tree gone. Pear tree. This pear tree has been here for before my daddy was planted by my great grandfather. Pear tree is gone. His last crop was a few months ago. Over gully. We call over gully. Obliterated. Guys, the family needs help. Need help. Major help. Check the description for me, please, to see how you can help. Over 300 persons in this general area. This is Africa's house. Or she was actually adding to it. She was actually adding to it. It was a board structure and she was adding a concrete structure to it. But that is the board structure has gone as well. Oh, so now we have a team here, guys, and just basically pull themselves back together, trying to get a structure going for some.
I try to build up back my mother place and things. Everything for him last, you know.
Yeah.
Everything for him last and things. And I try to build back a little thing. Everything gone.
Your mother is video killing. Your mother is video.
Everything gone. So we are trying to do all little things with us.
Tell me about the experience, my brother, with the hurricane. Tell me before the hurricane and what happened. What go on?
You know, say we there on a big shop there and we are say a pay breeze are going, but nothing really pop down.
Yeah.
And I see by 9 morning.
Yeah.
9 morning for day, you know, everything is a mash up.
Because that was about
right. You see one time we think are going
like 10 o'clock or so.
In 10 o'clock. we not see no way. We appear like a white cross, we not see no.
Yeah.
So the first thing we pop down upon upstairs the bar on a Kalisa this.
Yeah.
First pop down.
Yeah.
And then we get called because now poor line and they never gone.
Yeah.
And we get called now we say, for me auntie house says now it a go.
Yeah.
If you land their house it a go and find that we not get everything cut off.
Everything, the current.
Correct. Phone thing, everything cut off.
Yeah.
So nobody now have nothing to link, nobody say what go on.
Yeah.
So they don't know.
Yeah.
Just fear disaster. We just come like a new world way now.
It's a
new world way now because we never see them as before.
None of we?
None of we. When we look, we just come like one desert with them.
You need some help, guys. Alright, so yeah man, family needs some
regroup.
Yes.
Make people have one.
Yeah man. Which is right. The family, everybody are trying to do help yourself.
I want to help myself.
Yes, but when I
we can't wait for us.
Yes.
The government.
Yes. How you did that?
Then I up a big shop.
Yeah. You did up a big shop too?
Yes, sir. Up a big shop there.
Yeah, alright.
I want to replace children.
Down about time?
Yeah, this children.
Why this look like I want to see a destruction? Look at see.
You can't see the bridge.
Yeah man, I see a destruction. See a destruction.
Yo,
yeah man.
Give thanks and praise to yourself and the night.
I just start over. Or a dream. I come like a dream. I think
my father show you things.
Yeah. Alright guys, this is family. This is Landia. Landia is a resident here in the community as well, who survived the storm. So Landia, tell me your experience, my friend.
Well, God, it was a terrible storm.
Yeah.
It's been a lot because when I was by my house, it's like I was seeing like there's a dark storm coming, like a cloud coming.
Yeah.
I was like, what is this, man? Yeah. So I was saying to my son to come out of the house because
you're there, just made it.
Give God thanks, you.
Yeah, of course, man. Give God thanks. Yeah.
Like a storm coming, I mean, say, let me come out of the house and go to my mother's house, mommy house. So, mommy house, so I say like, I say, no, sir, this not survive. I say, mommy house start jerk.
Yeah.
Start jerk away. I say, no, sir.
Yeah.
Mommy house not going to survive the storm here.
Yeah.
So, I say, mommy, come out of the house and go down Auntie Gladys.
Yeah.
So, I go down by Auntie Gladys now. I say, sit down here, so I go by Auntie Dorothy, sister. Yeah. So, I find Auntie Gladys now, I say, the mommy house, the veranda, the first part start going. Yeah. So, I see veranda tear off now. I say, Lord Jesus. Money can say mommy house now survive because the veranda gone there.
Yeah.
So I take my sister and the Melody now, I run over Miss Gritley.
Yeah.
Going over there now, over the stand up, me see. Me here, put them up, me listen, me see Miss Gritley house back. The bathroom tear off. So I say, Lord Jesus, great, look, see your bathroom gone there.
Yeah.
I say, Lord mercy, what is this pound now, we're dead.
That time you hear now at the house down the road pop down.
No, we're not here, no.
Okay.
Before that we used to Kalisa bar gone.
Yeah.
Yes, that's the first building we used to leave, the Kalisa bar.
Yeah.
So after that now me here, I said, great, see your bathroom gone there. So I said, Lord God, we're dead now, because if my house gone, but I say Sherry house go away.
Sherry?
Yeah. Sherry house go away now.
Yeah.
I say, if I want to get the house now, somebody I say, Lord Jesus, what is this? I can't find my sister. That's a Melody.
Yeah.
So I'm going to say, Mommy, you see Melody?
Yeah.
Money say, hey, you buy house? I say, Lord Jesus. I'm going to greet no one. Say, Melody, where are you there? She said, see me here. And I said, man, come like I said, God, give me the strength.
Yeah.
To lift her, you know?
Yeah.
Lift her up and bring her down on Auntie Gladys and some zinc I see also.
Zinc fly?
I see also.
Yeah.
I said, Father God, what are we going to do now? And God give me the strength. I'm going to lift her and bring her down there.
Yeah.
All I'm going to do, there's about 15 of us.
Yeah.
Down on Gladys' house.
Yeah.
Because some part of our house are concrete.
Yeah.
And some part are board. One time we say, Father God do. But the one here survive because it's only one we have leave.
Yeah.
We have on the choice we have.
Yeah, to save everybody.
To save everybody.
Yeah.
By the time my kids them start to cry.
Baby
a cry.
Yeah.
If they have ear go them wet.
Yeah.
Them I don't tell her how them
pandemonium.
Yeah. Me listen now, Miss Auntie Gladys whole board part gone now. We say, Lord Jesus, all our dead now. We start up and start to cry, we start to pray.
Yeah.
Start to cry, we start to pray.
Yeah.
We push window, we are plum. winter start lick out. Door start lick out. We start to use the bed head, the mattress them, and the bed bottom them now. I start press the window them. Behind that the splinter them from coming from lick us. Man, it was a terrible start. It was
nothing like this.
It was when I born 38 years now. I'm 38 years old now. I've never seen nothing like this.
This is oh, mighty God. Guys, they hear the story. Go on, walk yourself.
So right now,
we need help.
Because when I come out, I lose I have a clothes store. I did have a bar. I lose both of that. I lose my house. It was 6 apartments. And I lose 2 cars.
Everything gone.
Everything gone.
Everything gone.
Everything. I don't even have clothes to wear.
Oh my God.
Food nor nothing. So just like this.
We
but
have.
Thank God we're alive.
Yeah, man. We give thanks for life, and we bring in a bit of hope because we brought some stuff here. We brought some stuff here to see what we can get. To see what maybe. Maybe what? Yeah. Oh, yeah, man. I think to see what maybe can use, we can wear. Oh boy, what a day! What a day! What a day! This is Tracian. Tracian is family too, and Tracian is one of the persons who would have gone through this horrible storm down here. And I just wanted to hear, Tracy, what was your experience? I want to hear basically from you.
Well, my experience was rough because I was at my mother's house, and in the storm, when the breeze started to blow, I went over to my grandmother's house. And when we went over to my grandmother's house, my grandfather, the rooftop was flying off, so my grandfather went in the house to try to see if he can take up a few things for my grandmother. So the first room popped down on him. Then our side started to break down as well. Same time we have to bath to Jesus to save we. But same time we have to take up my baby and my sister and brother to try to help my grandmother. So we run go to my mother's house now, try to get the rescue.
Your mother's house, which is Miss Chin?
Miss Chin, yes.
Which is nearby?
Nearby, yes. So while we went over there, the rooftop started to crumble as well. So we have to went under the bed to try to see if we could stay on the bed to get the rescue as well. So same time for our rooftop fly off, and then it would start to blow away as well in the wind.
Meaning the walls of the house?
Yes. Yes. So same time my grandfather did then him have to run out, so my brother and my mother have to try save my grandmother because me have my baby under my shot, so I could really do nothing. So we start to run by a neighbor's house, but we couldn't reach neighbor's house. We have to lay down flat on our belly in our bush. Yeah.
So both house now by now would have been gone?
Yes, both houses have been
gone. You're in the ear now, open ear?
Open ear.
And you have to be on the ground?
I have to be on the ground on our belly. One night time when the rain beat, when the breeze start blow and something, we have to get one canvas put over, canvas blow again. So I pitch up under one bush. It was
so the wind didn't blow you, obviously, but the wind was strong enough to blow you away?
Yes. Meanwhile, when my grandmother living in a bush, me I try to run up on nearby and see we couldn't get rescue for her. So we still have a baby under my blown. So the breeze a blow away, so me have to kneel down on my knee in the dirt. Then the time the breeze was heavy and it come like you see it up on the ground. Me not tell no lie. But it was rough.
Meaning a lot of water?
A lot of water. My sister went on one bush. It was rough.
We are here, we give God thanks.
Yes.
Give God thanks. This is the grandmother, guys. Brother Carlton in the background. They're actually rescued now. They're actually at Gloria House, Brother Carlton House here. Temporarily. Yes. Hopefully not too long, but they are here now for the time being. Because they don't have anywhere to go. We have close to, I think maybe close to 300 houses in the general Beeston Spring, Lefall area, and none of the board houses have been spared. Every single one. You can see the terrain. You can see from top to bottom now. You know, so I'm gonna ask if anybody want to. I mean, the need is heavy. Everybody has a need, but if anybody
can assist,
reach out, share a number there so they can reach out to you.
Well, no phone is working now, but you can call 508-5804.
508-5804. And there are other links in the description, guys. The numbers updated. You want to put a different number?
Yes. Peter. 797-55-35.
Yeah. 797. Anyway, the number is in the description, guys. The correct number is in the description. You can reach out to your name again. Tracy Ann, and that's your fiance?
No, that's my stepfather.
That's your stepfather?
Yes, because he had Lyme. You can pick up.
Okay, the Lyme. Okay, all right. Yeah. It's Lyme phone 876 if you want to reach them to offer any sort of support. The need is heavy down here. Everybody has a need. Food, clothes, and shelter. Everybody need that. Everybody's out of a house. They're either in a shelter, the official shelter at the school, or they're at somebody's house. In this case, Brother Carlton House and Gloria House here. It has become a shelter for a lot of people. It's one of the only houses standing here, and it's because it's a concrete structure.
Well, I have to say I still have to give God thanks, because when I was in the storm, my baby stopped breathing, but God brought him back alive. So still have to give God thanks. I hear
so many stories of near misses, near death.
It was rough.
God is good. Can you imagine if it came in the night? I heard a lot of people, house falling on them. I've seen a couple of people. I've seen OJ with his hand. I've seen Lumley with his foot. So many. I heard that Machina is in the hospital in Kingston. She was airlifted. So many stories, but we give God thanks that we're here. Thank you. Link in the description, guys, in terms of support. We look forward to that. Guys, this is our beloved church. CLM Moravian Church is no longer. This is from the eastern side. This is where the vestry was. You can see total carnage. This is what is left of our beloved Salem Church. The landmark in the community is no more. Planks, stone. It's one of the landmarks in the community. Parents, grandparents, great-grandparents visited this church. This was the choir area, the benches. Total despair. Have to be strong. I'm telling you, community need prayers. They need it fast. I wanted to show you the real impact of this Category 5 hurricane in this area. But I'm still calling and asking for support for the community. They've said they have seen helicopters flying over, but they haven't seen anybody. So I'm appealing to the authorities. The left hall area of Beeston Spring, Westmoreland, inundated. We had to park down the road and walk up. We park a little further up. We're a little further up now, but they still need help. We've brought a little bit of stuff. They need a lot more. Need to help. The link in the description for you to help. They need everything. They need emergency supplies. They need food, clothing, and of course they need a roof over their head. A lot of them don't have any bed, so they need that. They're trying their best. They're trying to make makeshift houses, but I'm afraid if they don't get help, it's gonna get worse, because they live off the land and there's no food on the land. I'm trying my best. I'm doing it with the help of some family members, my sisters, my cousins and others jumping in. I got some help from neighbors. My neighbors, Hillary and African and the rest of them, they've been helping. When the need, I'm going to ask again, they need emotional support. We're going to need some counselors. We've never seen anything like this. We're going to need some counselors. We're going to need some help, people to talk to them. Alright? I probably need some help myself because I'm taking a lot of the burden. Feeling it. Several nights I didn't get a proper sleep. So I need some help, people to come in and help. There are links in the description on how you can help. There's a GoFundMe. If it doesn't work, there's a way you can Zelle. There are different options in there. Call me, WhatsApp, or whatever you can get. We'll try and get some help. Please, see what you can do. We need it. Thank you. And please share this video with someone. Share this video. I need to hear from you. That's good. Send some encouraging words to them, please, in the comments. Send some encouraging words. But help in whatever way. Sharing the video, donate or something. Alright? Thank you. Heart of love.